Hi everyone, Adam Pecoraro here, and we are going to be watching my wife Rebecca and our friend Bob doing their personal training workout. Now, today's personal training session actually started with what I call an arm maintenance workout. Basically, they do 5 different shoulder exercises, 2 different tricep exercises, and 1 biceps exercise for 2 sets each after their warm-up. And their warm-ups were, I think, resistance bike for Bob and a ski machine for Beck. Their very first exercise is a clean and press. Becca's using dumbbells and Bob is using a barbell. Hold on, I gotta get my dog out of the door. There you go, Dee. And the clean to press is a functional strength combo, and it combines a clean or a pulling motion with an overhead press, a pushing motion. And as a whole body exercise, it will significantly challenge the cardiorespiratory system and elevate your heart rate. Now, the first movement is called a clean because it requires a clean movement, simple as that. Free from irregularities, smoothly, high DOG, smoothly and skillfully performed. If you lift your barbell or kettlebell or dumbbells up and the movement is jolted or jerky or interrupted by a loss of balance or the equipment bangs on your body, then it wasn't very clean. Next, toes out goblet squat. And this is another great full body exercise that builds muscle, particularly in the legs, the core, and the glutes. But since your arms are holding weight, you're basically having a static biceps curl that will recruit your chest, your deltoids, and give weight to your squat. And it's a fantastic beginner level progression of an air squat because it can help beginners add resistance to the exercise while simultaneously improving or perfecting their squat form. And one of the best things about the goblet squat is that it's designed to help you move through a full range of motion while preventing common mistakes like leaning too far forward or allowing your knees to cave inward. Since the dumbbell is held in front of your body, this exercise engages the quadriceps slightly more than a squat variation where, say, the weight or the resistance is carried behind the body. So if you're looking to build extra strength in your quadriceps while performing a total body move, goblet squats would be a good exercise option. Dumbbell jumping jacks. Torture for your side shoulders. So the lateral head of the deltoids, the upper abs, lower abs, adductors, and calves are all getting work. Great for cardio, great for muscle stamina. Make sure you use light dumbbells if you ever do this one yourself. So here we have the seated cable row for Bob, and then Becca's doing a triceps cable pull down or push down. So the seated cable row works multiple muscle groups, and it increases upper body strength, including your back muscles like the latissimus dorsi and the rhomboids in your upper back and the lower trapezius. It also encourages good posture. So when performing a seated cable row with proper form, you should keep your back straight and your knees bent. And we do allow a little bit of a lean back so that the core is worked, but we want to make sure that we don't round the back, okay? So we keep a neutral spine. Also, doing a seated cable row puts less strain on your lower back than, say, a standing bent over row. And then here Becca's doing the triceps cable press down. Now, your triceps have 3 muscles, right? Hence the term tri. You got the long, the lateral, and the medial heads. And if you want to build up your arms, working all 3 heads of your triceps is key. And this here triceps push down does just that. Triceps push downs also benefit your overall strength and your muscle endurance, and it engages your core, your back, your shoulders, and your chest. Performing this move properly also requires muscle isolation, so we have to stand still with good body recruitment to keep us in a stable position, and then we simply drive the arms down and return them, always with control. Marine burpee, hoorah! So this is why calisthenic exercises are amazing. In the case of the marine burpee, you're working everything. These ones you're going to build your chest and your triceps, and you're going to improve your cardiovascular fitness, and your legs are going to get a heck of a workout. Now, It's through a combination of high intensity body weight resistant movement. You're working your arms, your quads, your chest, your glutes, your hamstrings, your abs, and after just a few set of burpees, your legs should feel a little bit like lead. It's a very challenging thing to do, and say for example, if they were to do 10 reps with 3 push-ups per rep, that's 30 push-ups. So it can be quite humbling, but a great challenge to take on once you're at a significant level of fitness and you're looking for the next step. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And if you like our videos, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good rest of your day. See you next time.